What's the secret to skyrocketing your TikTok shop sales? Is it about finding the right products, collaborating with the best influencers, or mastering the AR video content? What if I told you there's a tool that combines all of these strategies into one powerful analytics platform? That's where Kalodata comes in. Today, we're breaking down how to understand Kalodata TikTok Shop Analytics and use it to elevate your e-commerce game. Why data-driven decisions matter on TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop isn't just another e-commerce platform. It's a dynamic marketplace powered by trends, creativity, and rapid consumer behavior shifts. To succeed here, guessing won't cut it. You need insights, real, actionable insights. That's exactly what Kalodata provides. It's your all-in-one analytics tool for TikTok Shop, offering data on trending products, top-performing influencers, and even competitor strategies. But how do you make sense of all this data? Don't worry, we'll walk you through everything step by step. Step 1. Getting started with Kalodata. First things first, if you haven't already signed up for Kalodata, click the link in the description to get a free 7-day trial with 15% off your subscription. Trust me, this is a game changer. Once you log in, you'll see Kalodata's dashboard, a hub packed with metrics and tools for analyzing your TikTok Shop performance. At first glance, it might feel overwhelming, but let's break it down. Step 2. Understanding the dashboard. The dashboard is divided into several key sections. Trending products. This section shows you which products are currently capturing attention on TikTok Shop. Metrics like views, clicks, and conversions are displayed in real time. Use this to identify what's hot and consider adding these items to your store or marketing campaigns. Influencer insights. Ever wondered which influencers are driving sales? Kalodata provides detailed profiles of top-performing creators. You can see their engagement rates, follower demographics, and even their most successful campaigns. This is invaluable for planning influencer collaborations. Video and ad analytics. Not sure if your TikTok ads are hitting the mark? Kalodata tracks video performance metrics like watch time, click-through rates, CTR, and conversions. Use this data to refine your ad strategy. Competitor analysis. Want to know what your competitors are up to? Kalodata lets you monitor their best-selling products, ad campaigns, and overall performance. This gives you a competitive edge by revealing gaps in their strategy that you can exploit. Live stream performance. If you're leveraging live streams to sell products, this section is a goldmine. It tracks metrics like viewer count, engagement rate, and sales generated during live sessions. Step 3. Diving deeper into product performance. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the dashboard, let's zoom in on product performance analytics. Kalodata doesn't just show you which products are trending, it also reveals why they're trending. Conversion rates. Identify which products are turning views into purchases. Audience demographics. Understand who is buying, age groups, locations, and interests. Engagement trends. Spot patterns in how users interact with certain product categories. Pro tip. Use this data for A/B testing. For example, if two similar products have different conversion rates, analyze their descriptions or pricing strategies to see what works better. Step 4. Leveraging influencer data. Collaborating with influencers can be one of the most effective ways to boost sales on TikTok Shop, but only if you choose the right ones. Kalodata simplifies this process by providing performance metrics. See how well an influencer's past campaigns have performed. Audience fit. Ensure their followers align with your target market. Content style. Review their content to confirm it matches your brand voice. Once you've identified potential partners, reach out with data-backed proposals highlighting why they're a perfect fit for your campaign. Step 5. Optimizing your marketing campaigns. Marketing on TikTok requires constant adaptation to trends and audience behavior. With Kalodata's campaign analytics tools, you can track the ROI of each campaign, identify underperforming ads, and tweak them in real time. Compare different campaigns to see which strategies yield the best results. For example, if an ad featuring user-generated content outperforms a polished studio shoot, double down on that approach in future campaigns. Step 6. Staying ahead of trends. TikTok trends move fast. Blink and you might miss them. Kalodata helps you stay ahead by tracking emerging hashtags, viral challenges, and trending audio clips related to your niche. Use these insights to create timely content that resonates with your audience. Pro tip: combine trend data with competitor analysis to spot opportunities they might have overlooked. Step 7. Monitoring competitors. Speaking of competitors, Kalodata's competitor analysis tool is a must-use feature. Here's what you can do. Identify their best-selling products. Analyze their ad campaigns for inspiration. Track how they respond to trends and adapt accordingly. Remember, success isn't just about doing what others do, it's about doing it better. Step 8. Making data-driven decisions. By now, you've gathered a ton of data from Kalodata. The final step is turning those insights into action. Adjust your product catalog based on trending items. Refine your influencer partnerships using performance metrics. Optimize your ad spend by focusing on high-converting campaigns. Experiment with new strategies using A/B testing tools. The more decisions you base on data rather than intuition, the more consistent your results will be. Kalodata isn't just an analytics tool, it's a roadmap for success on TikTok Shop. By understanding its features and applying its insights strategically, you can transform your e-commerce business from good to great. If you're ready to take control of your TikTok Shop performance, don't forget to click the link in the description for a free 7-day trial of Kalodata and enjoy 15% off while you're at it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.